Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stylish 208 in the Allure specification. So this car features 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And some of the other features of this car include air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, and the car is only £20 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. We've taken this car back in part exchange, having originally sold it from new. The car's got its service history with Howard's and it's done under 13,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.